Unlocking English. Understanding the ice. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic in store for you, especially if you're keen on expanding your English vocabulary and understanding how different phrases work in the language. We are going to delve into the phrase, de-ice. What does it mean? How is it used? Stay tuned to find out. De-ice is a compound verb, and to understand it better, we need to break it down. The prefix de generally means to remove or reverse an action. The word ice refers to the frozen state of water. When combined, de-ice means to remove ice or frost from something. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, but it's predominantly found in settings related to weather and machinery. 1. Aviation. Before an airplane takes off, especially in winter, it is crucial to remove any ice that might have formed on the wings or other parts of the aircraft. This process is referred to as de-icing. It ensures the safety and proper functioning of the airplane. 2. Automobiles. In colder climates, car owners often have to de-ice their windshields and door locks to ensure visibility and access. 3. Home maintenance. People also de-ice their driveways and sidewalks to prevent slips and falls. In these contexts, de-icing is a crucial safety measure. Let's go through some examples to see how de-ice can be used in sentences. 1. The airport crew is de-icing the airplane to ensure a safe takeoff. 2. I need to de-ice my car's windshield before heading to work. 3. After the snowstorm, we spent hours de-icing the driveway. These examples highlight the practical application of de-ice in everyday scenarios. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, de-ice. We hope this video has been informative and has added a valuable phrase to your English vocabulary. Understanding the context and usage of such phrases is key to mastering the English language. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!